Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Yes,
morning, sir.
Good
yes.
morning, sir.
Morning,
Thank.
sir.
Yes, yes. Archana,
Morning, sir.
Abhinaya. Yes. Individual and society. Relation between individual and society. Individualization. Personal disorganization. Types of society. Their health status. We had been learned in previous classes. Today, we have to learn about socialization. Socialization is a phenomenon in every individual life as well as groups. Many having misconception regarding or misconceptualization regarding socialization. We are nurses need deep knowledge. Should be clear out what is meant by socialization. Here terminology is that social plus zation. Social means interaction. Zation means they fluently interact with each other, which means each members in the group how influence or spontaneously interact to fulfill their needs. Next, meaning of socialization. It is a process of learning that enables the learner to perform social role and ability to participate in social system. Keywords: process of learning, how to learn, interact between them, enable the learner to perform social role. Keywords: ability to participate. I would like to give an illustration. For example, in your class, who are second year, new student come in the your class, interact with you, as well as among you interact with you. For example, two students are talk with each other. What do you talk about? Regarding the classes, regarding class norms, and role, values. Talk about the classes as well as personal matter regarding their families as well as their friends and previous classes, their school life, etc. So when we two students are interact with each other, both of them learn with each other. Okay? Learning is a very important. For example, student A learn with student B. Student B learn with student A by means of interaction. So interaction. The time of learning we can understand about what are the role today, what is going on today, and try to adjust the social life in particular groups. So which means socialization. Look at this. Socialization in school, adult socialization, preschool socialization, then concept. Human behaviors is acquired. The existence of society and social process is possible with socialization. So which is a reality of behavior. Person behave, interact with others to maintain social life. Definition. It is a process by which the individual learn to conform the group norms according to Ogben. Underline keywords: process, learn to conform norms. Next, aim and objectives of socialization. His first objective is that becoming social being or cultural being. Being means living. Second aim, to maintain social order. Social order means discipline or follow the norms of the groups. Third, to develop hidden or latent talent. Every individual having different types of talents developed through socialization. Fourth one, aim to lead quality and meaningful life. Through socialization only we can identify about self, who I am, what's the meaning of real life, which make good quality of living. Fifth aim is that to fulfill social roles. Through socialization, identify this, what are the roles for existence of specific pattern of behavior. 7, to mold and shape the total personality. Next, characteristics of socialization. First character, continuous process. It's never end. From the birth to the end of the life, we have been socialized with. A child born, interact with mother, become, identify there, and grow, and socialize with families. It's a continuously happening. Child socialization, adult socialization. Second one, tool of transmission of culture. Is a when we interact with each other, learn with each other, understand about mutual cultures, which means through socialization, the culture have been transmitted from one group to another group or one individual to another individuals. Third one, learning process. I was given illustration, we are friends, interact with each other. What happened? We have been learning about mutually, their families, their friends, today's education and class norms, by means of socialization. Fourth one, establish limits on the individual. Which means through socialization we can identify about the reality of the life. And we can limit our behavior and become better. Next. Importance of socialization. First important, to express himself more effectively the hidden and latent talents. Hidden talent means the talent is invisible. Through socialization only we can express it. Second important, to newborn child mold his personality. The aim of child socialization is that growth and development. Lack of socialization diminish the mental growth as well as physical growth. So it's develop personality through socialization. Third one is important to individuality development. Individuality means self development. What is self? We have been identify ourselves through socialization. Various theories are available. We will be learned that. The essence of socialization is that self. Identify self. Fourth one, to make the individual to become socially disciplined. Yes, we have interact with others, identify about group norms, and try to maintain discipline. Fifth, to helps him to live according to the social existences. Which means identify the reality, what is really available in society. According to that, we can live and act. Look at this, child socialization. Next, sixth one, to assist him to learn the norms. As we had been learned that in family norms, educational norms, etc. 7, to importing skills. We have different skills and talents. How to develop it? By means of socialization. 8th one, to aspirations and desires fulfillment. Students, everybody having different desires and aspirations and likeness. Through socialization only we have been achieve it. 9th one, important to contribute to the stability of social order. Social order means discipline. In this society, maintain discipline, socialization is very important. 10th, reduce social distance. What do you think about social distance? Between class and religion. For example, two persons interact, for example, a different religion. For example, Hindu or Muslims, to or interact with each other, share their religious belief and understand about their religions. That time what will happen? Both are them socially close, understand between each other, learn with each other. 11th one, bring people together, which means it make cooperation in the groups. 12th, solve social problems. Students, maximum of social problem caused by lack of socialization. For example, poverty, unemployment, illiteracy. Mainly we need to think about healthcare issues. For example, stress, depression, only solved by socialization. 13, transmit culture. What is mean by culture? Pattern of behavior which is determined by material and non-material cultural factors. Then process of socialization. First process, the process means step by step process or step by step event. You need to conceptualize or imagine for the nursing process. Nursing process started with nursing assessment. Here socialization process started from the childhood. Children and adults learn from others throughout the life. An educational process which values, goals, belief, attitude and sex roles are acquired from birth to death. Got this step by step process: family socialization, religious socialization, educational places socialization, school, colleges, occupational places, workplace socialization, then other social systems. Wherever we have interact, there where we need to socialize, interact with people, understand about group norms, learn with groups and individuals and maintain good life. Then factors in socialization process. First factor, imitation. Imitation means act like others. For example, in family socialization, children act like father. Second, suggestion, which means given directions. Ask various questions. For example, in child, ask to parents various questions, and answer by the parents and given direction and teach about. Third one, identification, which means recognition, identify the friends, families, members, norms, values. So identification is other factors of socialization. So three important factors: imitation, suggestion, identification. Then language and socialization. Students, language is a key factor. Without language, we can't interact. So medium of socialization is that the social interaction. By means of language, different language use, cultural transmission, and mold the personality, the language is important. Then role of socialization. Total personality development, second role. Behavior development, third. Communication skills. Then theories of socialization. Students, study of socialization theory is a very interesting one. Look at this. Each theory says that essence of socialization is development of self. Coley's theory, looking class self. George Herbert Mead's theory. 3. Sigmund Freud's theory. 4. W.A. Thomas theory. First, Coley's theory, looking glass self. Coley says that explain the concept of self. A person identifies self through socialization. Usually I have asked various questions to my students, and name a student asked, who are you? Who are you? They say that name, I am. Who identify that? You are that person. They answer that my parents only given that name. So which is a fact about. Then everyone call them a particular name, father, mother, children, this, friends. That's why identify. Yes, I am a particular, or I am a nurse. Self idea, self attitudes developed by imaging process or perception. Look at this Coley, looking glass self. Two primary propositions by Coley. Coley says that every individual identify the self through society. Two propositions. First proposition, mind is social. Which means what is available in our mind, that only we can see in this society. Second, society is mental. Which means what are the factors available in the society, that only available in our mind. So from this proposition we can easily identify that what's the reality of socialization. That the idea of self, ego, I can arise only in the relation with other people. Then self-consciousness would not exist in the absence of society, which is a reality. Second theory, George Herbert Mead's theory. Look at this, Mead's. American social psychologist. Through social interaction, man become aware of himself. The individual come know about himself by role play. Self is product of social interaction. So this is according to Mitz. Look at this. Gestalt response. Third, Sigmund Freud's theory, we know that the psychology, we had been learned that Austrian psychologist, self and society are not individual. Human mind consists of three components: id, pleasure principle; ego, reality principles; superego, morality. What these questions are there? You ask question, I want it now. You don't think about, for example, child crying for milk. Child don't think about having milk or not. Just I want it now, I eat. I need to do a little bit of planning to get it. Just ego. Think about reality, whether available or not. Then third question is that you can it. You cannot have it. It's not right. Which means think about morality, whether particular right or wrong. Look at this. Freudian psychological reality, id, unconscious; superego, preconscious; ego, conscious. Then W. H. Thomas theory, fourth one, individual unconsciously depends upon his society. Then stages of socialization. First stage, oral stage; second, anal stage; third, oedipal stage; fourth, latency stage; fifth, adolescence. Already we had been learned in psychology this one: oral, anal, oedipal, latency, adolescence. Detail about it. In oral stage is that 1 year. So this year only having socialized with own mother. Okay. Then during this stage, child cries for everything. Only way it communicates its needs. Establish oral dependence. Second stage is first year of life, child contact with outside the world through mouth or lips. For example, sucking the milk, and socialized with only with mother. Next, second, anal stage. During this stage, child learned that one cannot totally depends on mother, everything. Some independent child realize about something. Undergoing training, toilet training. Next. So this stage socializes with other family member, including father, etc. Third one, oedipal stage. So this is a stage is a child learn to identify itself with social roles. So oedipal stage, from the oedipal stage only identify about norms. What are the reality of, which means start the ego. So this stage, these children are suffer from complex. For example, girls suffer from Electra complex. Electra means love their own father, jealous towards mother. Boys experiencing Oedipus complex, love their own mother, hate their own father, or jealous towards. So this is a process of this stage. Fourth one, latency stage. Learn social norms. Fifth one, adolescence, we know that change. So this is a stage. These children or adolescent want independently living, separated from father and mothers, would like to separate and living separately and think about social norms and interact with friends. Number of not only the social changes as well as physical changes. Adolescent stage, change in the physiological changes, the change of puberty mainly, change of sound and physical structures have been changed, which is directly impact on society and as well as this socialization. So this is a process of stages of socialization. Each socialization periods need to interact, for example, first year father, mother only. Then next year, Oedipal stage. Anal stage, latency stage and Oedipus stage. This child need to interact with people this in the family members and the school level in adolescent concern need to interact with, try to express their feelings and become socialized. So each socialization largely depends determine the personality characters. Lack of socialization may cause personality disorders. So this is over explanations. The types of socialization we will learn next class. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Abhinaya. Yes, so nice.
Thank
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Nikhila.
Thank you, sir.